In order to reduce their energy consumption and increase the safety of users through better lighting, operators of underpasses and small tunnels install LED lighting. After several weeks of operation, users often complain about overlighting, which causes a glare effect that blinds them and increases the risk of accidents. The solution? The TLACS U from Nyx Hemera Technologies is a simple control lighting system that does not require any control wire or antenna installation. How does it work? A light sensor, which can either be LCAM, Nyx Hemera's luminance photometer, the ILCAM, Nyx Hemera's luminance photometer, or any other sensor, sends a message to the central controller, the UDE, to dynamically adjust the luminance in the tunnel as per real-time outdoor lighting conditions. The UDE uses the power line, which is the electrical wire that feeds the luminaries, to send a command to the local controller of each luminary according to the real needs. With control wires, lighting is done dynamically, without over-illuminating, wasting energy, or under-illuminating, which could reduce safety. The local controllers, the LPC 480s that are installed in the luminaires, or in an adjacent junction box, read and report all the electrical parameters of each luminaire, thereby allowing real-time management and facilitated maintenance through a user interface adapted to the operator's needs. TLACS U is smart city ready. It is a plug-and-play solution since its installation and configuration are simple and can be performed by an electrician of any skill level. For your lighting control projects of underpasses and small tunnels, contact us at info@nyx-hemera.com or visit our website www.nyx-hemera.com.